What you see here are the GST 140CE and BCE Professional, the high-precision jigsaws with golden double roller. Do you expect excellent cutting precision? With the patented golden double roller and the secure-fitting saw blade changing system, you'll achieve excellent cut quality for tear-free sawing without having to refinish. And with the newly developed circle cutter, sawing circles and semicircles is just like drawing them with a pair of compasses. The compact design with small grip circumference enables optimum control when sawing. What's more, the Bosch guide rail system guarantees exact and straight cuts of any length. Experience for yourself the GST 140CE and BCE Professional, the new standards in precision. Now available in the practical, unique L-Box.